Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today is a fantastic day. More specifically, look fantastic advent calendar for 2021. Spoilers, I'm beyond excited for advent calendar season. If you're like a subscriber of mine from like, you know, forever, you guys know I love advent calendars. I love spoiling advent calendars for you guys so you know what you're going to be spending your money on, and I'm so excited to get into this video. I do want to mention that my poof looks a little funky like a chicken right now, which again, like I've disclaimed before, I do have my baby chickens in here. I will let you meet one of them right now. Okay, so in my last videos, you guys got to meet Peep. This is Graboid. If you guys have ever seen the movie Tremors, then you would know why I named this one Graboid. Of course, this isn't a worm, but I should have named him a Shrieker, but eventually I'll get more baby chickens and I'll name him a Shrieker because when they run, they look like the little Shrieker Tremors. But this is Graboid, everyone. He's starting to get his feathers. Well, it's a she, hopefully, because we accidentally got a rooster several months ago, so that's been fun. But yeah, this is Graboid. So if you hear peeps in the background, it's Peep and Graboid and Layla and Spunky. So here's Graboid. Mwah! Oh, she hid. Isn't she so stinking cute? Okay, so if you are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. If you're ready for advent calendar season, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what advent calendars you want me to spoil this year, which ones are you most excited for, and I will be spoiling the glossybox one next, which is always so good too. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already watching this video, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, I do want to mention that this is going to be a perfect gift either for yourself or as a Christmas gift. Get it early, make sure you have it, and gift it to a loved one so they can have 25 days of beauty, which would be so much fun. And you know, it's gonna be a surprise for them or for you if you want to. Okay, so look fantastic 2021 advent calendar. Okay, so right now the waitlist is open for UK subscribers to get on the waitlist for, and this year's worth is over £410. So for UK, £410 in value. As for the US, it's going to be worth over $567, which is insane. And of course, you're going to have a discount on this if you are subscribed to the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. And if you're interested in signing up, I'll have my link down below. So you will have 25 days of advent calendar boxes. So let's go ahead and go through all of the products. Okay, so our first spoiler is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. This is a deluxe mini size. It says, incredibly gentle, Kate Somerville's cleanser helps to refresh and revitalize your skin without stripping away essential moisture. Formulated using sumptuous goat milk, the formula is as soothing as it is purifying, leaving your face feeling supple and never tight or dry. It has a creamy, non-foaming texture that lifts away dirt, excess oil, and makeup, ensuring skin is free of all impurities. Brimming with natural milk proteins, the goat milk is a treat for anyone prone to experiencing sensitivity. Thanks to Manuka honey, skin will be thoroughly conditioned with a natural, comfortable feel, while avocado and jojoba oils make sure hydration is locked in. Next up, we have the Color Wow Supernatural Dream Coat. This is another deluxe mini. So this is a hairspray, and this is a really long description, so I'm just going to read the bottom. So your hair is going to be very smooth and free from frizz for days, is what the description says. Next up, we have from Illamasqua a Hydra Setting Spray, and this is also a deluxe mini size. So this is supposed to help lock your makeup into place while creating a flawless dewy effect. I've actually tried a lot of their products and they're pretty good. Next up, from Caudalie, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, this is the VitaSource SOS Hydration Intense Moisturizing Cream. This is a deluxe mini sample. It says replenish dry skin with moisture with the Caudalie Vinosource Hydra SOS Thirst Quenching Serum infused with hyaluronic acid and organic grape water. The formula is designed to soothe dehydration and support the skin's retention of water throughout the day. Next up, the Aveda Botanical Repair Treatment, which is also a deluxe mini. So this is also for the hair. It's supposed to fortify your locks with the Aveda's leave-in treatment designed to revive your strands while guarding against future damage. With strengthening reparative qualities, the nourishing formula works to maintain essential bonds in the fibers of your hair. This helps to create a healthier appearance by increasing softness and shine from the very first use. Then we have the Delilah Lip Line Long Wear Retractable Pencil. This is a full-size product, and I like that it's retractable because I don't like sharpening stuff, okay? So this is just a really pretty lip liner. So I'm not sure which shade you're gonna get, but there's only two here in Pout and Naked. So you have like a more light pink shade and a more rosy, dark rosy pink shade. So that's really pretty. Then we have from Omorow Vixa facial polish. I think I'm pronouncing that very wrong. So this is a deluxe mini. Apparently this is the first of its kind. It's a refining facial polisher, and it's a game-changing addition to your ritual from the brand, combining the resurfacing properties of an exfoliator with the luxurious texture of a mask and skin brightening impact of a peel. This harnesses the transformative power of Hungarian moor mud and green microalgae to reveal a more radiant, smooth, and refined complexion. Ooh, that sounds fancy. Okay, so next up from Kingsley, Elasty Styler. This is a deluxe mini. We're really getting a good bit of hair products in here. So this is formulated with using technology found in the renowned Elastic Sizer treatment. Kingsley's styling product is an innovative 5-in-1 that works to transform your mane. Quickly absorbed, the treatment won't weigh down your strands, and a little goes a long way, making it ideal for all types of hair. It works to condition every strand for a fortified appearance that's tamed and extra shiny. Hair will feel silkier than before, creating a healthier looking finish that's brimming with goodness and vitality. Of course, this is on here. This is the NARS Blush in Orgasm, and this is a deluxe sample. I actually really like this one. I use this a lot. I have it in the full size, so this is good. This is good stuff. I know you know what this looks like because we've all had this before, I'm sure, and if you haven't, now you get a nice sample size. Ooh, Rituals Sakura candle in a travel size. Yes, we would love a candle. Ooh, and this is really pretty and like just simple but yet elegant. Oh yes. What is the notes? It has delicate floral aromas of sakura and rice milk, inspiring a relaxing and positive energy in your home. I like that. Ooh, okay. Shiseido Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate in a travel size. So this is to enhance your complexion. It has innovative double anti-aging technology, and the face serum promotes healthy and youthful looking skin. We want healthy, youthful looking skin. Okay, we have so much more to go through. So this is the Percy and Reed Wonder Balm in a deluxe mini. It says add the illusion of shine and gloss to your tresses with the Percy and Reed I Need a Hero Wonder Balm Hair Primer. The smooth, lightweight leave-in primer works to shield your tresses from the damage caused by heat, styling, and blow drying, lessening the look of split ends and breakage. Then we have the iconic London Highlighter Drops in a deluxe mini. I can tell you I've had this before. It's really good, and I like mixing it with like a primer to give like a illuminating primer. It's really, really pretty. So I think if you get this, you're going to enjoy it. There's there's multiple different ways that you can use this. Next up, AHC Real Eye Cream for face. This is going to be a full-size product. So it says hydrate and rejuvenate tired under eyes with the AHC Eye Cream. This nourishing formula utilizes ultrafine microemulsion technology to enable the effective delivery of ingredients to the skin, optimizing efficiency. The multi-purpose formula can be used under the eyes or over the entire face to deliver maximum skincare benefits. Then we have the Ren Clean Skincare Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream in a deluxe mini. So it's clinically proven to lighten the appearance of dark spots with its vegan formula of 94% naturally derivative ingredients. The velvety cream gets to work whilst you sleep when skin is most receptive to repair and regeneration. Okay. Then we have the Bubble Tea oh my gosh, this is a word that I really suffer with saying. Rhubarb and Custard Bath Fizzer. This is a full-size product, and it's basically just a bath fizzer. Nothing really to say about it other than it's like, you know, you put it in the bath and it fizzes and it has color, you know what I mean? And then we have the This Works Stress Check Mood Manager in a deluxe mini. It says take a moment out of your hectic schedule to restore a sense of calm with this Works Stress Check Mood Manager. Boasting a 100% natural blend of pure essential oils, the Mood Manager helps to promote feelings of tranquility, working to relieve stress and elevate bad moods through aromatherapy. I need all the stock of this for sure. Oh, and then we have the Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. This is a deluxe mini. So an ideal detox treatment for sensitive or oily scalps. The Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt cleanses, purifies, and restores balance. For those who experience tingling and itching sensations after coloring their hair, this scrub can also be used as a soothing treatment. Then we have the Rhodia Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel in a deluxe mini. I recently just got this and I have it in my skincare drawer. Oh no, this is not the same thing, but it's also Dragon's Blood what I have, so disregard. It says combat lax contours with Rhodia's Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. Red puffy sagging skin is plumped and pumped to improve elasticity and volume around important areas of definition such as the cheekbones and jawline. So now we have the Bioeffect EGF Serum, which is a deluxe mini. Rediscover your skin's youthful capacity with Bioeffect EGF Serum, a groundbreaking anti-aging treatment that delivers significant visibility, noticeable results. Then the Diego Dala Palma Col Kaja eyeliner in a full size. So this is just basically a black eyeliner, no description that we really need to tell. Then we have the Balance Me Beauty Sleep Hyaluronic Mist. Enjoy a deeper, more restful sleep with Balance Me's targeted sleep mist. The smart blend of CBD oil, valerian, and high-grade essential oils are proven to induce relaxation while the hyaluronic acid plumps your skin while you sleep. Then we have the Avon Sumptuous Glycolic Acid Shea Butter Hand Balm, and this is a full size. So this aims to restructure and regenerate the skin. So that's good. That was a very short description. Short, sweet, and to the point. And my mom's calling me. We have 2 more left, you guys. So this is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash, which is a deluxe mini. So the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash is an enzyme gel cleanser for congested skin. That is what it's for. And then lastly, the ESPA Clean and Green Detox Mask, and this is a full-size product. Recharge stressed, tired, and dull-looking complexions with the ESPA's veggie-inspired Clean and Green Detox Mask, jam-packed with plant-based, nutrient-rich greens. Just like a powerful smoothie for your skin, the creamy formula provides intense nourishment to help lackluster skin bounce back to refined texture and glowing radiance. So that is everything coming in the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar for 2021. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. As always, you know I love to hear them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!